First up on our long list is the Cyrusher Scout Pro. It features turn signals and brake lights like a regular motorcycle, a bright and colorful LCD, and a claimed range of 160 miles with multiple batteries. The bike starts at $25.99 and has a top speed of 28 miles per hour thanks to the 1000-watt Bafang hub motor. If you'd like to find out more about this or any other e-bike on the list, be sure to check out one of the links in the description. But if you aren't interested in a moped-style e-bike, you can also check out the new Fiido Titan fat tire electric bike. With a 28 mile per hour top speed and durable build, this giant is built to get you anywhere in and out of town. The price for the single battery model starts at $14.99, while the upgraded 3-battery combo with a stated 248 miles of range starts at $21.97. The tires are larger 26 by 4-inch fat tires, which decreases rolling resistance at high speeds while also acting as added suspension to smooth out bumpy trails. The 3-battery combo comes with 2 pannier storage compartments, one for each additional battery. And of course, there's an app, brakes, headlights and taillights, and optional cargo racks. Not cool enough for you? Then wait till you see this cool little e-ride or this ultra-stylish e-bike. But first, the Mokwheel Granite is a cargo e-trike with plenty of storage and a nifty foldable design. The LED and spacious cargo basket make this thing practically a car, while the 500-watt motor operates on a 48-volt system with a 15 amp-hour battery pack. The disc brakes are hydraulic and the front fork has 110 millimeters of travel. The load capacity is 350 pounds, and the price is currently $17.99. If you haven't heard of a brand called Nakto, then let me introduce you to their Folding Ox model. With a budget price tag of $11.99 and sometimes as low as $9.99 on Amazon, this e-bike is built to get you out of your house and take you all over town. It has 20 by 4-inch all-terrain CST fat tires as well as front suspension. It runs on a 48-volt system with a 12 amp-hour battery pack, and with a name like the Folding Ox, you know this bike is going to fold up for easy storage in the back of a car or the bed of a truck. The 750-watt peak hub motor delivers 38 foot-pounds of torque, and there's even a headlight. And now for that ultra-cool-looking PXiD Antelope. With giant 26 by 4-inch tires on the front and rear, you'll be ready for anything from rides in the park to downright adventurous snow riding. The top speed is 28 miles per hour, which I'm sure can be unlocked to achieve even higher top speeds, and the 1000-watt peak output motor can even be swapped out for the Bafang mid-drive motor. Either way, torque and power won't be an issue on this e-bike. The length is 72 inches and the standover height is 35 inches. The branded saddle looks really good, and perhaps my favorite part about this e-bike is how the battery slides in and out of the side of the frame as opposed to the top or bottom. Just remove the exterior plate and you can access the 20 amp-hour lithium battery via the quick release. There's also an additional 15 amp-hour triangle-shaped battery you can buy for $460 that can give you a total range of up to 120 miles. It also comes in a very good-looking camo colorway, and the price starts at $12.99. And now it's time to lighten the mood a little with the Super73 K1D. Coming in at a mere $400 at the time of this recording, this little rideable might be the cheapest and most fun on this list. With 90 to 120 minutes of ride time and a 15 mile per hour top speed, your young ones, as well as the young at heart, can have oodles of fun tearing up your local trails and bike parks on this little Grom Ripper. Next up is the Cyrusher Quest mid-drive step-through electric bike. Made for long rides, this comfortable rideable features a DNM air shock that ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on the toughest terrains, a Bafang LCD screen, and a 20 amp-hour battery that delivers up to 70 miles of range. It even has the Bafang M620 mid-drive motor, often referred to as the diesel engine of mid-drive motors. You know those mid-drives come at a price though. The Cyrusher Quest is currently topping the list at $43.99. Or how about the Mokwheel Slate, a free-spirited e-bike that features an easy, foldable design an anti-theft removable display, a 500-watt motor on a 48-volt system, a torque sensor on a sub-$1,500 e-bike, hydraulic disc brakes, turn signals on the frame, front suspension, and 20 by 3-inch tires. The price is $14.99. And while we're on the topic of more expensive e-bikes, this beauty you see before you is the Mod Black 3 full suspension e-bike. Great for riding on trails and off-roading, it features a 750-watt hub motor, an upgraded torque sensor, and a 50-mile range, or 100 miles if you double up on the batteries. The display is color, and there's even a turbo mode. And as is customary, it has hydraulic disc brakes, a USB charger, and dozens of accessories available. The price is a steamy $29.99. Or how about something a little smaller, featuring a 2-step folding design, 350-watt hub motor, small 16 by 2.5-inch tires, mid-suspension, a magnesium alloy frame, an optional rear cargo rack. The DYU C2 might be one of the best small e-bike options on the market. The price is $6.99. And now for one of the dead sexiest e-bikes I've seen in a while. It features a 32-inch standover height as well as a 70-inch total length. The frame is 6061 grade aluminum alloy, and definitely sends off serious motorcycle vibes. And as cool as this bike looks, I kinda wish it was 60 volts or at least 52, but it's on a 48-volt system with options for either 20 or 35 amp-hour battery packs. The location of the battery is really cool. Just flip the lid, unplug the battery, and slide out the pack. It comes with a 3-amp charger that charges the battery in about 8 hours. The motor is laced into the hub and features a peak output of 1,000 watts. To me, the Mantis seems like a great option for electro heads looking to get into the Sur-on scene one day. The top speed is 28 miles per hour, and there are lots of colors to choose from, like black, army green, beige, and regular green. The price is currently $17.60. And for you Dark Knight fans out there, High Power Cycles just released one of, if not the fastest production e-bikes in the world. With a top speed of 80 miles per hour, thanks to the 10,500 watts of peak power and 78-volt system, this e-bike could make you want to ride all night. If it weren't for the $30K price tag, that is. Okay, let's get back to Seriousville with the dual-motor Aniioki A8 52-volt e-bike, and this thing is just a beast. It comes in matte black, matte gray, and army green, and not only does it have a 45 mile per hour top speed, but it has a claimed 200-mile estimated range thanks to over 33 pounds in battery. And with that much power, you have to have some serious stopping power. Lucky for everyone, Aniioki thought of that by including an insanely large 220mm rear disc brake paired with an even larger 300mm front disc brake. This much power and responsibility comes at a price though, $2,999.